Well, hello there. It's old Chainsawbob, and we're out for a little ride today. And we're going to call this ride today the Great Escape. Yep, that's a good name for our ride today. So let me get my glove back on here, and we will proceed. The whole purpose of this ride today is I want to have a bottle of water, at least part of one, at this place. So now that's not a good excuse for a ride. I don't know what is. So this is the Great Escape with Chainsawbob. This is Sunday, I think the 10th, or maybe the 11th or 12th. Hell, I don't know. I can't keep up with. I'm lucky enough to keep up with whether it's what day of the week it is, not much less what day of the month it is. So I'm out on the Suzuki Burgman 200 today, if you hadn't noticed. This is one of the prettier places around here. As near as I can tell, this must be a horse farm, or maybe they raise some cattle too. But it is beautiful up there. This would make a great road racing course down through here, or super bikes and stuff like that. My health is still pretty good for somebody my age, I suppose. Although I've certainly been feeling my age. I think I've aged more in the last year and a half than I have in my whole life, both physically and mentally. Going to be 82 here in about 3 or 4 months, something like that. I don't know. I'm not going to bother to count them up, but starting to really have a lot of trouble walking and stuff. My neuropathy has made me where I'm very unsteady on my feet. It's like I'm walking around on a couple of basketballs. And neuropathy is a funny name, but boy, it's nothing to laugh at, I tell you. Settled in my feet, my lower legs, and it's starting on my knees now. So that's why I'm riding scooters nowadays. That's why I've slowed down a lot. Not ready to cash it in yet, you know. There was a time I'd have come down through here 75, 85 mile an hour, you know, just for the hell of doing it. But, I'm much more content to do this. Boy, look at this pretty view here. I always love this particular spot right here when I come by. Oh, and it's pretty. This is just a beautiful place here. The grass is so green. The trees are budding out in the early spring here. Some beautiful views of the mountains over there, if you can see them. I always thought this was a very pretty farm right here on the left. Look at the view they've got there. And all the cattle down there. The beautiful mountain views. I think we'll go up here and get us a little snack to go with our bottle of water. It's a very neat little store right up here on the right. I've been here several times, so I know it's there. This is Highway 129, the famous 129 that's north of here. The Dragon's Tail is probably 60 miles north of here or something like that. That old Dodge pickup there. Any of you guys want to race? You think you can beat this little 200 here? Boy, I tell you. You have any of those little apple pies?
There's a couple over there.
Okay. Bananas.
You get them all back? Yeah. I didn't finish because that's why I put that ring there. Hello. Some of it. Is that right? Somebody's coming down here to get gas. All right. I'm gonna run. Oh, wait a minute. Walk in the car. I was thinking there was something else laying here that was yours.
All right. Some good looking bikes here. Howdy.
How are you?
I'm old Chainsawbob.
Hey, Chainsawbob, what kind of chainsaw you run?
Suzuki.
Where are you from, Chainsawbob?
Blue Ridge.
Blue Ridge?
Yep, if you guys want to look me up on YouTube, you're all going to be on there. I've got 866 videos on YouTube.
All right, cool.
And it's under Chainsawbob Nichols, Nichols. So look them up.
Well, we'll like and subscribe. How about that?
All right, I appreciate that. Been doing it for about 12 years now, or 11 or something like that. So I'm going up on Richard Russell Parkway up there and stop at that Vista up there and have me go up a cup of water and a $4 apple pie. Well, you can tell the damn Democrats it's in, I tell you. Nice to meet you. Sure is pretty up through here. This is Richard Russell Parkway. Anybody that wants to know. Union County, Georgia. Off Highway 129. Up the mountain we go. Well, I can just about taste that apple pie. That $3.99 apple pie. I can't believe I paid $3.99 plus tax for an apple pie. Bad place to have car trouble. Well, here we are. I came all the way up here to have a bottle of, what is this? Clover Valley Purified Drinking Water. And Aunt Pearl's Porch Wholesale and Retail Bakery, Blairsville, Georgia, apple pie. That cost me $3.99 plus tax. This damn pie better be good for $3.99. You sure as the hell can tell that the Democrats are in, can't you? I can remember when I used to pay a nickel for a fried apple pie. They're good though. Now you might be asking yourself, well, what the hell is this video all about, Bob? This video is, which I call The Great Escape, by the way, it's about coming up here and sitting down at this picnic table here. I was going to buy me a candy bar. I should have bought a candy bar. At least it wouldn't cost $4, but I like fried apple pies. And make you wonder, what the hell did he do? What did he come up here for? Let me put my fried apple pie down here just a minute. Take a swig of that, and I'll show you what I see from where I'm sitting. We're going to start off looking here, looking down that highway there. This is what I see. What a view. What a view. Now that tallest lump you see on top of that mountain right there, right square in front of us, that's the tallest mountain in Georgia. It's got a little tower up on top of it. I'm sure you can't see that, but I can just see the outline of it there. It's called Brasstown Bald, and I think it's 4,700 feet or something like that. I'm not sure exactly. anyway, we're just up in the North Georgia mountains, and I can't think of a pretty spot to have picnic or drink a little water. I hope you agree with me. So if I like the way this video come out, and I don't know whether I will or not, there's a lot of other places like this that I might make a video of. So for right now, we're going to sign off and have us some of this fried apple pie that cost me $4. Okay? Hog Pen Gap.